please make room. Everybody, please make some room.
Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Te lo pago, gente. Chingo, hombre. Nomás empieza.
All right, make some noise, people. Make some noise. And it hits back bumper. That's the way it's done. Get with Estilo.
Hey, here I am. What's up? All right, you back your shit up, but you ain't got everybody your goddamn mouth like that. Here's this bitch. Y puedo, culero. Puedo knock it back my shit up. Why you park for something that don't even belong to you? That shit ain't even yours. Hey, I can go get my boy shit too and park it out. Well, what's up? Man.
All right, people, let's keep it cool. Let's keep it cool. Let's keep it cool.
That ain't even yours. Is that yours?
Show it out.
Is that yours?
It's like if it was mine. That's just like if it was mine.
Let me go press my boy shit out too, man.
All right, man. Go look at my lap. Go look at my lap. Go look at my lap.
Press your own shit up. Press your own shit up. Shut the fuck up.
Lot of love it.
What? All the club money went into one car? All the club money went into one car? What about the other car? What's up with the other car? What's up with the other car? All the club money went into one car, right? After years of dedication. Okay, gotcha. Y'all go do more car washes.
Alright, people, make way. I want Renee. Careful. Alright, we got that next one rolling up. Careful, guys. Hey, watch your back.
That's the best I'm showing you. Top 10.
Watch your back. And then we have Bernard from the Buddha nose rolling up.
You should take a picture of it? Yeah. Oh, he's gonna get out this time.
Make some noise, people, make some noise. Oh, what happened? Oh, souvenir. All right, people, asking, please back up. Please back up just a little bit.